Hey, what's up everyone? So we are going to be doing the unboxing of the Lash Lift Kit. I haven't opened it myself. I haven't opened like the actual Lash Lift Kit part. I just, they sent it over in 2 ways. So I got like some supplies that they were giving me and then the actual products to do the actual lash lifts. So yeah. So this was the first one that I got. And then it says, the love of beauty is taste, the creation of beauty is art. So true. So like I said, I opened this one, so I just kept all the little thingies. And then it just comes with this one. Your mood's about to get lifted. I have adhesive platforms. They sent me iPads. I have a TLC foaming cleanser, which I actually still have the first one that I had got from them. And then I have 10 brushes to do cleansing. And then this are just some micro swabs from Lash. And honestly, I really like their micro swabs. I have another one of these. I'm still pretty full, but I compared them to the ones that I would get on Amazon, and I wasn't liking the Amazon ones because they kept falling. Like the little part, the cotton part, would used to just like fall out. So that's what's in here. And then I'm just gonna set everything like on display right here so you guys can see the whole thing after we're done. So this is the actual kit, which I haven't seen. And it's the same thing, it just has the middle of the lifted. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. Mod cheese, the Lash Live. I don't even want to open it, it's just like it's so pretty. I really like the colors that they did. So it comes in a really nice box. I'm such a hoarder for boxes, so I feel like I'm gonna like keep it. So it comes in a really nice box. It's like magnetic over here. And then it comes with the instruction manual. So here we have, I think these are the tweezers, or I think it's the actual rod. So yeah, it is the rod to actually do like the lifts. You can see that. It's really nice. It's like a gunmetal. And then, I don't know if you guys can see, but they have like little measuring things. Excuse my nose, I'm getting a fill today. Should I just leave everything out? Maybe I should. I'll just put it here. And then we have the pre-treatment. So it's just like, obviously, like, it's like primer. So we'll put this on. I like that the packaging is like clear. It's really cute. I like all this. I like it. Very nice. Alright. And then we have our actual glue. And then I heard that I was seeing some unboxing stuff from people who have gotten theirs, but I think they spent like the most time making the glue, like trying different formulas and stuff to try to get it like to be better than most, I guess. And this is just the fixer, so after cute. And then the hydrating serum. So I heard someone talk about it, and I guess it was supposed to be like one of the best things to do. And then I'm gonna try to get some of these, like I think they're gonna have them like wholesale and stuff. So this is just, you can use this on your lashes. It just kind of helps hydrate them. It makes the serum is supposed to make them like kind of get healthier, stronger. So yeah, and then I am gonna try to get these because I do have a lot of people who ask me for serums, and I tried a different one on one particular client. I'm not gonna say the brand, but I didn't really like see, not that I didn't see a difference, I just didn't really like I just didn't really like expect it to take, I don't know how to say it. I'm probably gonna cut that out. So this is just a hydrating serum. So it's just supposed to hydrate your lashes, obviously, help them get stronger. And then the lift and neutralize. So this is like the actual permanent solution. And you get 10 of these in the kit. And it comes with 1 and 2. So the lift and then the neutralizing cream, which I think is pretty good. So I did the VIP sale, pre-sale, so I got my kit for $170. But I know it does retail. I got the kit and I got the course, so it usually would be $500, but since I did the VIP sale, I got the kit and the course for $175. And then these are actually the curl, the shields and stuff, and I know that they sent different ones. So there's rods and then there's actual shields. And then the shields are supposed to be colored so that you can tell like the different size in them. So the green one is the smallest, and then the yellow, and then the clear one for the largest, which I think is pretty cool because I mean, you don't have to go like looking around trying to find a size when they're all like the same color. So that's cool. And then these are they're really like soft and flimsy. I've had other ones, well, I purchased other ones, and they feel a lot more what's the word, like stiff. So I'm gonna get up close. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like little ridges, so where you guys can just take your pick and just brush the lashes out. So that's pretty cool. And same thing, there's like different sizes. These are all clear though. So these right here are your sizes. And I do have little storage containers that I'm gonna put the rods in and everything in. Obviously I'm just doing the video, so I'm just putting it back in the box. And then these are disposable brushes. So you get spoolies, you get brushes, and lip applicators. And that pretty much is everything. I'm gonna try to get everything out. Alright, so this is pretty much everything that your kit will come with. So again, you have your lift, your neutralizing, your curls, your curl rods and your shields, eye pads, foaming cleanser, brushes, micro swabs, adhesive platforms, your pick, your hydrating, your pre-treatment, your actual glue, and your, it's called your fixer. So I am excited for this. I have OCD, sorry.